Hi there, if you want to update your Samsung devices, the Samsung A series devices, then this video is for you. You just need to go to the settings and then scroll down until you find this software update option. Now tap on it, and from here you'll find the download and install option at the very beginning, and it will help you to find out the most recent updates that you didn't download yet. You can just download that updated version, and you can install it in your software, and it will update your software on your Samsung Galaxy A series devices. Right now I have just updated the maximum software. I have the maximum or most latest software update on my device. That's why it's showing that your software is up to date. So here you will find the software information, update information. If there's any update available, then you can instantly give the update or to your software of your Samsung Galaxy A series devices. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.